Hello guys, we'll see how to schedule lecture. How to schedule a lecture for student. Getting? So consider I have a team that is IT underscore TY underscore 2020 21. Getting? So this is the team, and inside this team I have added students and faculties which will be teaching to this particular team. That is, team stands for class. Getting? For example, third year class. And inside this team, what I have done, I have created these channels. So see, I am teaching Java programming class, Java programming lab course. So this is nothing but channel. So see, there are total 8 channels inside this team. Okay, so I have allocated, or I have assigned students to team. Getting? And under that team I have created, say, total 8 channels. Getting? Channels are nothing but courses. So automatically those 60 students or those 8 faculties will be allocated to these channels. Getting? So this is team and channel. Now we'll see how to schedule a meeting or how to schedule a lecture. So go to calendar tab and click here, schedule a meeting, that is schedule a lecture. Suppose tomorrow I am having lecture on Java programming, introduction. So this is my lecture or topic name. I have already given the who will be the attendees. Getting? So here I will not select this option, and suppose tomorrow is 31st, so 31st July, and suppose at 10 a.m. there will be lecture. So select that 10 a.m. and this lecture will be there for 1 hour. So 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So this lecture will be there for 1 hour. Getting? And suppose you want to repeat the same lecture, getting, for next week. That is, so suppose tomorrow there is a Friday, so you want to continue this lecture, or that means your lecture is there on every Friday from 10 to 11 a.m. then you can click here and you can select every weekday, Monday to Friday, or sorry, of course every Monday through Friday. Getting? This lecture will be repeated. And then channel. So as I have created channel, that is IT underscore TY 2021, and I have created team IT TY 2021, and my channel is Java programming lab. So all those 60 students will be automatically added to this channel. Location you can give any, for example RIT I have given, and you can have some description. So tomorrow, or in this lecture, we are going to see introduction to Java programming and just save this same. So automatically this lecture will be added in your calendar under 31st July. Getting? So just check that this is 31st. So go to calendar and just check day and 31st. See, under 31 Friday, tomorrow at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. there will be Java lecture, Java programming introduction lecture. Now just right click on this lecture, select edit, and this is important setting you should do, and click on series. This is very important option you should do. or you should select. So just click on meeting option and see here you need to select few options. Who can bypass the lobby? That means suppose your lobby is nothing but waiting room. So suppose your lecture is started, and then you need to select who can bypass that waiting room or bypass that lobby. So people in my organization, that means people in RIT. Getting? Suppose you want you want some notification, that is whenever attendee join your lecture or left or leave any lecture, then at that time notification will be popped up. And this is very important option, who can present, who will be presenter. So as you are scheduling lecture, so you are only presenter, and suppose on behalf of someone you are scheduling lecture, then that someone should be the presenter. Getting? In that case you can use specific people option. Now as I am going to deliver this lecture, so I will save, or I will select option only me and just click on save button. Getting? So in this case only you will be presenter, okay, and just close this. So this option you need to select. Okay, now so before 10, what you can what I suggest, before 10 or at 9:55, what you can do, you can just click on this calendar option and on this lecture and just click on this join button. So before student you should join this meeting and just click on join now. Getting? So what you can do, you can do this procedure at or before few minutes, okay, or before that lecture timing starts. Okay, so see at 9:55 I recommend or I suggest you to join this meeting. Getting? So that other students will join at 10 a.m. okay, before them you should start this. Now how to start a recording? So just click on these three dots and click on this start recording option. Whenever your lecture ends, you can just click on stop recording option. Getting? Stop recording option. Okay, and you can see this is show participant window. So here you can get all the participants of this particular lecture. Okay, and now where to or from where we can get the attendance of this meeting. So when the meeting is started, as see I have started this meeting or I have joined this meeting 1 minute before, so that's why this option is enabled. So click on these three dots. Inside this you can get, see, download attendance list. So as I have only joined this meeting, so only my attendance will be recorded there. Getting? So one file will be downloaded there. Getting? And whenever your time is over, automatically this meeting will be ended. Or if you want to willingly you want to end this meeting, then just click on this three dot and click on end meeting. I think it will allow you to confirm and just end. Getting? So automatically you will be redirected to post or chat tab, and see your recording has stopped and it is your recording is converting and it will be saved in this particular post. And again one more option is there, you can also find that recording under this stream app. So just click on this three dot and stream. Getting? And see under this my watch list you can find all your videos. So it will redirect you to browser. Getting? And under this my content just click on videos, all your recordings will be shown here. Getting? So these are the recordings, these are my recordings. And see, this is your current recording, 9-second lecture on Java programming introduction. Getting? So thank you. So with this you can schedule the lecture. Getting? And see how student will be notified by using calendar. Under calendar tab you can find